Feeling overwhelmed by everyday tasks that should be simple? These Amazon finds are all about saving time, cutting stress, and making life feel way more effortless. From smart little upgrades to satisfying problem solvers, each one is designed to make your day smoother without extra effort. All products are linked in the description below. Taking out the trash just got a serious upgrade. This smart garbage can open automatically when you wave your hand, so you never have to touch the lid. Once it's full, it seals the bag shut on its own to lock in odors and mess. Remove the bag, and it instantly loads a fresh one for you. It's clean, quiet, and turns an annoying chore into something you barely think about. What if your sink could wash dishes for you? This clever combo unit blends a deep kitchen sink with a built-in dishwasher, saving space and saving your back. You load dishes right where you rinse them, then let powerful rotating spray arms clean from every angle. High-temperature washing helps sanitize, while the air-dry mode keeps everything fresh and ready to use. When washing is done, it switches back into a regular sink like nothing happened. Keeping floors clean just became effortless. This automatic shoe cover dispenser wraps your shoes in seconds, no bending or balancing required. You simply step in, and a protective cover seals around the sole to block dirt and moisture. It's perfect when you want hygiene without asking guests to remove their shoes. Ideal for busy spaces, it keeps everything spotless while letting people move naturally and comfortably. Cooling relief exactly where you need it. This rechargeable wall-mounted fan sticks on without drilling, so you can set it up in seconds. Turn it on, and you feel fast, focused airflow that cools your space almost instantly. Multiple speed settings let you aim comfort right at your bed, stove, or desk. When you want flexibility, it detaches easily and works just as well on a tabletop. Sweeping doesn't have to feel like a workout. This smart broom and dustpan set gives you options with a full-size broom for big messes and a smaller brush for tight spots. The rotating head helps you reach corners without awkward angles. Built-in comb teeth pull out hair and dust so you don't touch the mess. When you're done, it stands upright and stores neatly out of the way. Your chair should work as hard as you do. This ergonomic desk chair adapts to your body the moment you sit down, supporting your back as you move. Lean back and it gently stretches your spine, helping relieve tension during long hours. Multiple recline positions let you switch from focused work to full relaxation in seconds. Everything stays aligned, so you stay comfortable, supported, and productive all day. Your shoe pile just found its solution. This shoe slot organizer stacks pairs vertically so you instantly double your storage space. Each shoe rests securely, keeping pairs together and scuff-free. It adjusts easily to fit everything from sneakers to dress shoes. Perfect for closets or entryways, it turns messy floors into clean, organized space without any effort. Who knew cleaning could feel like a joyride? This ride-on car doubles as a fun go-kart and a playful cleaning helper with a detachable mop underneath. Kids drive around while quietly wiping floors, turning chores into a game. Smooth acceleration and adjustable speeds keep the ride comfortable and safe. With hidden storage and easy pulling when playtime ends, it's fun, practical, and parent-approved. Tired of fighting with tape during heat press projects? This clever tape dispenser keeps your heat-resistant tape ready, cut, and organized in one smooth motion. You pull, press, and get clean strips without scissors slowing you down. The built-in cutter is designed to be safer while still cutting precisely. Extra compartments hold tools you use often, keeping your workspace neat and focused. Your phone photos don't have to stay on a screen. This mini photo printer connects wirelessly and lets you print memories straight from your phone in seconds. Advanced color printing makes photos look rich, smooth, and long-lasting. Each print comes out sealed to resist water, smudges, and fingerprints. Small enough to carry anywhere, it turns everyday moments into instant keepsakes. Tired of juggling bags and crates everywhere you go? This collapsible cart makes hauling stuff effortless. With a sturdy aluminum frame and durable plastic body, it holds your groceries, supplies, or tools without tipping over. It folds down in seconds for compact storage and unfolds instantly whenever you need it. Smooth wheels glide on any surface, turning heavy lifting into a breeze. Perfect for shopping, events, or even moving things around the house. Love wine but hate it going flat too soon? This wine preservation system keeps your bottles fresh and flavorful for longer. It gently removes air from the bottle, slowing oxidation so every pour tastes just right. Sleek and compact, it fits on any counter without taking up much space. Simple to use, it preserves your favorite reds, whites, or sparkling wines effortlessly. Now you can enjoy a perfect glass anytime without rushing to finish the bottle. Tired of juggling multiple spice jars while cooking? This battery-operated grinder makes seasoning effortless. It comes with interchangeable pods so you can grind different spices without mixing flavors. The ceramic grinder ensures a consistent grind, and you can adjust coarseness from fine to coarse. One-handed operation and a built-in LED light make it easy to use even in dim kitchens. Quick to refill, compact, and mess-free, it turns everyday cooking into a smooth, flavorful experience. Ever wished your watch could do more than just tell time? This 4G smartwatch turns your wrist into a mini smartphone. Its huge 2.86-inch screen makes calls, video chats, and apps easy to use anytime, anywhere. Snap selfies or record videos with the built-in 5-megapixel camera and track your heart rate throughout the day. A long-lasting 2,700 mAh battery keeps you connected without constant charging. Stylish, powerful, and packed with features, it's perfect for busy lifestyles. Always misplacing your reading glasses? This clever keychain keeps them right where you need them. Compact and lightweight, the glasses slide neatly into the included case, attaching easily to your keys. Perfect for reading menus, signs, or small print on the go. Durable and stylish, it ensures you're never caught squinting again. Convenience and practicality meet in one tiny portable accessory. Laundry day just got a serious upgrade. This octopus-style drying rack spins 360 degrees so you can reach every piece of clothing without moving around. 16 expandable rods give you plenty of space for clothes, towels, or even shoes. Lightweight and foldable, it's easy to carry, store, and take on trips or to your balcony. Solid wood rods resist rust and last for years. Compact, portable, and versatile, it's the ultimate drying solution. Imagine a side table that chills your drinks while looking stylish. This 2-in-1 outdoor cooler table holds up to 48 cans with ice for hours, keeping refreshments ready for any gathering. Its sleek design fits on patios, balconies, or by the pool, adding a modern touch to your space. Made from a stone plastic composite, it's weather-resistant and built to last through heat, cold, and sun. Practical, durable, and elegant, it's the ultimate backyard companion. Fixing tiny electronics just got a lot easier. This ultra mini electric screwdriver delivers precise torque for delicate devices like phones, laptops, cameras, and watches. It comes with 50 magnetic bits neatly stored in a pop-up case, so everything stays organized. Adjustable torque settings protect your gadgets from damage, while a long-lasting rechargeable battery keeps you powered through repairs. Compact, cordless, and powerful, It turns fiddly repairs into a smooth, stress-free task. Say goodbye to uneven toast mornings. This smart toaster lets you customize each slice with a touchscreen, ensuring everyone gets their perfect shade. 4 toasting modes: fresh, reheat, frozen, and smart. Handle any bread situation effortlessly. Golden crispy technology locks in moisture for a crunchy outside and fluffy inside. Auto lift and lower, plus a removable tray, make it easy to use and clean. Stylish stainless steel design adds a premium touch to your kitchen. Beat the heat anywhere, indoors or out. This versatile fan transforms from pedestal to tabletop and works corded or cordless with a long-lasting battery. Integrated misting cools the air up to 12 degrees and can even be enhanced with ice for extra refreshment. Whisper quiet indoors, but powerful outdoors. It reaches up to 70 feet with adjustable fan speeds and oscillation. Portable, sleek, and durable. It keeps you cool wherever you need it. Take your BBQ anywhere with this portable propane grill. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for camping, tailgating, RV trips, or even a boat outing. The tabletop design makes setup simple, and the grill sleeve keeps everything tidy when you're on the move. Gas-fueled for quick heating and consistent cooking, it delivers sizzling results wherever you are. Easy to carry, use, and clean, it turns outdoor cooking into a hassle-free experience. Keep your floors spotless without bending over. This fully automatic shoe sole cleaner scrubs and vacuums your shoes the moment you place your feet on it. Waterless and rechargeable, it uses powerful rotating brushes and suction to remove dust, dirt, and debris from any type of shoe. Adjustable cleaning modes and a removable dust box make maintenance simple, compact, and efficient. It's perfect for homes, offices, or hotels, keeping shoes and floors pristine effortlessly. Fresh, homemade bread has never been easier. This bread machine offers 15 automatic programs, from basic and gluten-free to sourdough, dough, and yogurt. Dual heaters provide even, fluffy baking, while a silent motor keeps noise under control. The auto fruit and nut dispenser adds ingredients at the perfect time, and a 15-hour timer means fresh bread whenever you want. With a non-stick ceramic pan and viewing window, baking is simple, convenient, and mess-free. Turn every moment into a cinematic vlog. This compact camera shoots in 4K at 120 frames per second with a 1-inch sensor, capturing stunning details even in low light. Its 3-axis stabilization keeps footage smooth, whether you're running, dancing, or chasing pets. Active Track keeps subjects perfectly framed, and the built-in mic records clear, immersive sound. With a rotating touchscreen and advanced color options, your vlogs look polished and professional without any extra gear. Stay safe and sound while you move. These open-ear headphones let you hear your surroundings while delivering powerful bass and crystal-clear audio. Bright LED lights keep you visible during nighttime runs or workouts. Ultra-lightweight and comfortable, they hug your ears securely, even if you wear glasses. With 30 hours of playtime, quick charging, and water resistance, they're perfect for long workouts, calls, and everyday use. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.